uh, it totally depends on up to what a significant digit we are taking for the value of x2. The x1 solution, the error in the x1 solution totally depends on up to what significant digit we are taking for this x1. So here you can look here this I have made a slight change the way the equation was represented. The way equation was represented, I have made a slight change in this two equation and two unknowns. I have simply switched this first equation, and I have just switched interchanged the position of this first equation and second equation. Now let us look for the solution for this problem. Once again, I look the solution for this problem. So again, I'll get this value of x2 as 2 by 3. And once I solve this for x1, then it will be nothing but I'll get as 0.33. So here you can look that whatever be the or number of significant digit for x2, the this solution of for the value of x1 or the compute calculation for x2 is pretty much insensitive for the number of this digits. Okay, so here you can see that almost all the results are giving me a close answer of 0.33. So I made a simple rearrangement in the representation of this system of equation, and I'm getting the correct answer itself in the third decimal place. Okay, so this is called something called as pivoting. So pivoting, now who can explain me here what is this pivoting? Anyone of you? Abhijit, can you explain me?
सर कोफिशिएंट को पाइवट करना और उसके नीचे वाले
बहुत
कोफिशिएंट
सिंपल
को जीरो
लैंग्वेज
करना.
में अगर इसको बोलेंगे तो क्या होगा ये? Who can explain me in more simpler terms? आयुष?
यस सर. सर जिसका
हाँ
x1 का कोफिशिएंट
बिल्कुल
सबसे हाईएस्ट होगा उसको हम लोग फर्स्ट
बिल्कुल
इक्वेशन में स्वैप करके पाइवट
बिल्कुल
बना
correct
देंगे.
exactly. Anything else? Anyone else like to add in this? Okay, so Ayush interpreted it correctly, and most of you also must have interpreted it correctly. That we have swapped these two equations, and so we can see here this that the system of the equation having the largest coefficient is the one which we are moving into this first equation, and then we perform the computation where we can see here that the solution is insensitive of the number of digits. So as this some more exercise for you people, a short assignment for you people. You please solve it using this Gauss elimination technique using partial pivoting. So you take it as an assignment. We will be discussing it in our next class. You solve this system of equation given using partial pivoting. And one more problem. Okay, solution, you can solve it. I'm not giving the solution for this. And second problem is this. Okay, with this, we have completed our today's class. So I'll wait for 5 minutes and take all your queries after 5 minutes. Okay, so if you do not have query and wish to leave this class, you may please leave. Okay, is there anything that we need to discuss?
Sir,
Sanjeev, bolo.
sir, today what we have discussed, sir, we can solve any matrix in MATLAB, sir.
You can do it. You
Uh,
can obviously do it.
so,
Okay, but means all your this going to this using programming. Before that, I will suggest you to do it manually for a small system of equation. Okay,
okay, sir.
for a small system of equation, you solve it manually because these all are programming are nothing but only whatever you will give the input, it will give the output. Simply is that. So you have to develop the algorithm. So point of saying is this, that algorithm is the main thing. Okay.
I have a book, sir, so that's why I'm saying.
Okay. Anyone else? Okay. So if there are no further queries, so we will end this class here itself.